Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a modular origami. This is like a cube blended with a rose, and it takes 6 pieces of paper to make. So as you can see, the cube's on the inside and then it kind of opens up here. And we're going to make a bigger version. So this is made up of 6 pieces of paper that are going to be folded like this, okay? So our goal is to make 6 of these. Now this is my first one, but I need to make 5 more. So I'm going to show you how to make these. Now when we make these, you need to make sure that they need to be facing the same way. So I'm going to show you what that means in just a moment. So my second one, I'm going to start off with a square piece of paper. Now this is a small piece of paper, but you're going to get a big one. It doesn't matter what size the square is, it just needs to be square. That's the nice thing about origami. So I'm going to start by taking this corner and matching it to this corner. Match the corners up first before you make your fold, like so. And then pull back with your finger, slide across. If you paid attention when we were making sketchbooks at the beginning of the semester, this is where that's going to help out. Then you're going to take this line and match it with this line. Right now what we're doing is making guidelines. Origami is all about guidelines. Okay, so this guideline in the middle is going to help us. We're going to make a crease and then we open it back up. So watch. See this crease that I have in the middle? I need to make this come up to here. So I'm going to make the match. I've made another guideline. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to make this also come into the middle. Make it line up and then fold. Always line it up before you fold. Then I'm going to open these back up again. Now I have 2 more guidelines. Going to take this corner, take this edge, meet it with this line that I've made. Okay, see how I did that? And then take this edge and meet it with this edge. Make a fold. Then I'm going to take this edge and fold it to this guideline that I have right here. And I'm going to repeat this on the other side. So once again, I'm going to make this edge match up with this one. Make this edge match up with this one. All about using your guidelines to help you. Make this edge match up with this one. So now what I should have is something that looks like this on all 4 sides. Now comes a little bit more of a tricky part. So I have to make this edge come up to this line here. I have to fold it. It's going to create kind of a triangular fold. So this edge is going to meet up here. So I'm going to line it up first. So line up, and it should make a point right here. See how it makes like a triangle shape and then one down here? Okay, so I lined it up, and I'm going to pull back and fold. Now, there's a crease right here. We made a fold earlier. Earlier it went up like this, okay? But there's a crease right here. Instead of folding in on it, we're going to fold it backwards. So use that line that we've made. It goes straight up and down. Fold backwards on that. This line down here, we're going to make a new fold. So watch. I'm going to push this down, and then I'm going to use this fold that we already made, push down on that fold. This fold hasn't been made yet. So what I'm doing is lining it up. Watch. So I fold backwards on this line, okay, and then I'm going to fold up on this fold that we had earlier. Since these 2 folds are pretty much the same. So I'm going to fold up on this guideline that we had, and then I'm going to push down. Okay. Then I need to take this line right here and make it match up with this line right here. So this is going to come here. So watch. Da, da, da. See how it's lined up? Then I push it down. Now this guideline, so this fold right here that I can fold, this guideline, we're going to go backwards on it. So watch. Fold on the line. See that crease right there? It's already there. You're just going to fold backwards on it. there's already a crease right here. You're going to fold forwards on this crease, and then you're going to make a new fold right here. Now this part needs to match this part, so you need to tuck it under. Okay, now look, both of these are in the same direction. If all 6 of yours do not look the same, then we have to fix that, okay? Because sometimes people make ones fold this way, but they all need to be facing the same. The last step that we need to do is right here. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. Right here, I'm going to fold in, so I'm going to make this line match this line. It's going to come all the way over, and I'm going to make this line, well, yeah, I'm going to make this line fold over on this line. So I'm going to fold it in half, like so. Okay, that's how you get the cube part. See? So now I have 2 of these. Alright, I'm going to do a third one, just to see if I can do them correctly and make sure they're facing the right way. So, going to meet up my corners, fold after I meet my corner, then going to make another guideline right here and here, like this, going to open it back up, make this guideline match that guideline. See, once you get used to this, it's like memorizing all the steps. Make this guideline match this guideline. Okay, good. Open it back up. Take this line, make it match this line. Make this line match this line. Make this line match this line. Do it on the other side. Take this line, match this line. Take this line, match this line. Or wait, take this line, match that line. Okay. Take this line, match this line. Right. Now this line is going to match this line. So with this step, I always start with my right side, okay? So pay attention when you make this fold, because start with your right side. Okay, so this right here is a crease. I'm going to fold backwards on it, okay? This right here is a crease. I'm going to fold forwards. And then this right here, I'm going to fold down. Now I'm going to make this line match this line. Okay. Then I'm going to take that crease that I've made before, this line right here, I'm going to fold backwards on it. This line I'm going to fold down on it. And then this, I'll make a new crease. Take this, open this up, tuck that in. Okay, now's the time I want to check. Okay, see these are facing the same way? That's good. If they're not pointing in the same direction, with this one going up and this one going, these lines going the same, parallel, and these lines parallel to each other, then you folded it in the wrong direction and you should come find me for help. Then the last step is we have to make it a cube. So I'm going to flip this over, make this come over here, and make this corner come to this corner. Okay, right. In the next video, I will show you how to put these all together. You need to make 6 of them first, though. And yours are going to be a lot bigger than mine, but this is just an example.